G'day guys, welcome back to our channel. Great to have you. In this video today we are going to show you how we have pumped water from the river about 30 meters to our caravan on our last free camping adventure. We have found previously that we have seemed to run out of water quite quickly, whether it be through showering or through washing the dishes a couple of times a day and whatnot. So we needed to come up with something that is going to keep us going without having to pack up the jerry cans into the back of the car and head down to the servo to fill up. So yeah, we're going to show you how we did it with a 12-volt pump and a double water filter system. Okay, let's go. You need to push the hose further into it. That did it. So you have to connect two hoses because we're quite a distance away.
Yeah, maybe the tree.
They sound like monkeys. Straight from the river. So it's definitely not showering water, it's definitely not drinking water, it's not dishes water. So
Well, your drinking water goes through a filter in there anyway.
in the caravan, yes. So
Probably.
maybe I should tip this out so we can see the difference.
Perfect. Yeah. Let's see what it does.
So this should be pulling the water up from the river now.
Should.
Should be. And that's through the filter. Look at the difference. So if we didn't have the filter in the caravan, I can honestly say I don't think I would drink that. But I'd be happy to shower in that, and I'd do the dishes in that.
Just don't drink any of it.
I wouldn't drink that, but what comes out of the tap after it's triple filtered would be fine. In the milk crate. Why is there milk crate in there? To keep the hose in the water. Okay. Yes. Okay, from the milk crate, 2 hoses, so they would be probably 15 metre hoses each, because it's 30 metres, so, and then up to the pump, through the
And you can
filters.
just plug that straight into the bottom of the van and leave the pump on. It's a pressure pump.
Right, okay.
So you turn the water pump off and you just run it through the water.
And
you want
that's plugged in the 12 volt there. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you liked the video. If you do, give us a like, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to stay up to date with our latest videos on tips and hacks and mods and upgrades to our caravan, you can hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified when we have a new video that we've got up. And you can also see us on our website, biglaponabudget.com.au. You can find us on Instagram. You can also find us on Facebook. Thanks, guys. See you next video. Stay safe. Bye for now.